It's a lonely life. When she woke up late in the morning sun and the day had just begun, she opened up her eyes and thought, oh what a morning. This day for work is a day for catching tan, just lying on the beach and having fun. She's gonna get you all that she wants, is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Oh yeah, all that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Oh yeah. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Oh yeah. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Oh yeah. Well, howdy there pluckers, Othersaw Fingers again with a bit of fun for you this time. A bit of light-hearted stuff, nothing too serious. Ace of Base, and all that she wants is another baby. Okay, so standard tuning, no capo, doing the same key as Ace of Base. Okay, now then, so it starts off with this little, obviously this is really more for two guitars than one, but yeah, if you haven't got two, here we go. So, little introduction. So what I'm doing there is I'm playing the second fret of the second string, okay, first finger, and I'm going up to the fifth fret of the second string, which I'm using my third finger, you use your pinky, whatever. So it's backwards and forwards between those two frets, okay, so up to the fifth fret, second fret, fifth fret, second fret, okay? Then you play that second on the second string again, so it's, and then you go bar the second fret of the top two strings, and it goes top string, second string, top string, second. So top string, second string, top string, second string, right? So far we got this. Up to the fifth fret again, second string. Back down to the second fret, second string. To the fourth fret on the third string. So as you go through that slowly. Okay, so that's just a repeat of the first one, and then to that fourth fret of the fourth string, third string rather. Okay, so just once very slowly. Okay, and then we finish it off with this little bass riff. Very simple, 2 hits on the 4th fret of the bottom E string, 2nd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 5th string. Okay, so the whole thing. And we go to a C sharp minor bar chord, 4th fret, minor shape, okay? And it's this reggae beat, says that's what I sing, okay? Chip, 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 okay. So let's do it. So, so the first lines is she leads a lonely life, and that's C sharp minor. She leads a lonely G sharp minor life to F sharp minor. You just repeat C sharp minor. She leads a lonely G sharp minor. Right, that's a 4th fret bar chord again, but 6th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string to F sharp minor. Okay, so she leads a lonely life. She leads a lonely life. Okay, so far let's do that whole thing up to there, slowly. She leads a lonely life. She leads a lonely life. Now at that point there is a little bit more instrumental going on with a little saxophone or keyboard or something. I left that bit out because I can't play and do the chords at the same time. So to give it a bit of continuity, I went straight into the verse at that point. Okay, so I am aware I've left a little bit out, but I need another instrument there. Okay, so coming out of that later, so it's quite interesting. The chorus is these 3 chords. So when you get to play the chorus, it is C sharp minor, G sharp minor, F sharp minor. The verses are all in majors. So the choruses are all in minors, and the verse is all in majors, as you'll see in a second, apart from the very end of the verse. Okay, so after you've done that twice, she leads a lonely life. She leads a lonely life. When she woke up late. Now we're playing C sharp major. Okay, so again it's a 4th fret bar chord, but I'm barring the 6th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. You can do it with 3 fingers, or 3, or bar the 3 with a 3rd finger or pinky. Some people use their pinky. I'm using my 3rd finger. Okay, so it's when she woke up late in the morning light, down to B, 2 frets down, same shape, B chord, 2nd fret bar, barring the 4th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 6th strings, and then to an F sharp major, 2nd fret bar major chord. Okay, so when she woke up late in the morning light and the day had just begun. Okay, so it's majors. Okay, back to the C sharp. She opened up her eyes and thought G. Now this time we're playing G sharp major, not minor. Okay, majors. Okay, so from the beginning of the verse, when she woke up late in the morning light, B, F sharp, D flat again, or C sharp, to G sharp, C sharp again, F sharp, to F sharp minor, and then D sharp, G sharp, F sharp, and we're into the chorus. Okay, so we just sing. I'll just do the words for this verse bit. When she, C sharp, woke up late in the morning light, B, F sharp, C sharp, you opened up her eyes and thought, G sharp, oh what a morning, C sharp, it's not a day for work, it's a F sharp, day for catching, F sharp minor, 10, just C sharp, lying on the G sharp beach and having F sharp. She's gonna get you, and we're into the chorus again. Okay, so let's just go through that once again very slowly. When you come out of the she leads a lonely life. playing majors, it should be minors, sorry. He leads a lonely life. She leads a lonely life. Right, here comes the majors. When she woke up late in the morning light, turned da the gun. Da 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 da. It's not a day for work, it's a day for catching tan. Just lying on the beach and having fun. She gonna get you minor, C sharp minor. All that she wants is another G sharp minor, baby. F sharp minor, on tomorrow. Again, C sharp minor. All that she wants, G sharp minor, baby. F sharp minor. Repeat the whole thing. C sharp minor. All that she wants, G sharp minor, baby. F sharp minor, gone tomorrow. C sharp minor. All that she wants. Is it G sharp minor? Yeah. And what I did then was I did what goes on later in the song, where it goes into this. Little riff, does it quite a few times, and it goes back into the chorus again. Okay, so all that riff is 2 hits on the 4th fret of the A string, then you hit it once more, and then you go to the 4th fret on the bottom E string, 2nd fret, 5th string, the 5th string, the A string, then up to the 3rd fret, 5th string, and then you repeat 4th fret, 5th string twice. Okay, got the idea? And you've done enough of those that you're happy with. You go back into the C sharp minor, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and do the chorus. Okay, so all that she wants is another baby. Well, tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. Gone tomorrow. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. And that's how I ended it. Just played the intro again and then finished on that little, and then a C sharp minor finish. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. It's as simple as that. So let's just try and do the whole demo again for you very slowly. Okay, so she leads a lonely life. She leads a lonely life. When she woke up late in the morning light and the day had just begun, she opened up her eyes and thought, oh what a morning. It's not a day for work, it's a day for catching tan. Just lying on the beach and having fun. She's gonna get you, all that she wants is another baby. She gone tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Oh yeah, all that she wants is another baby. She gone tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. Gone tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. Gone tomorrow, all that she wants is another baby. Yeah. that's it, boys and girls. Thanks very much for watching and listening to that, and hopefully it might give you a bit of fun for a sing-along. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.